Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Nexora channel where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about I sent an embarrassing text to the wrong person.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Michael, I am doing very well. How about you?
I am doing great now, but a few days ago I had a very embarrassing experience.
Really? What happened?
I sent an embarrassing text to the wrong person.
Oh no.
That was exactly how I felt.
Tell us the story.
It happened on a Tuesday afternoon.
Where were you?
I was at work.
Were you busy?
A little, but not too busy.
Who were you trying to text?
My best friend.
What was the message about?
It was about a funny situation.
What kind of situation?
Earlier that day, my friend had tripped over a small box.
Was he okay?
Yes, he was fine.
That's good.
We laughed about it later.
So you wanted to send him a joke?
Exactly.
What did you write?
I wrote, "You should be more careful. You almost looked like a dancing chicken."
That's hilarious.
I thought so too.
Then what happened?
I pressed send.
And?
I put my phone on my desk and went back to work.
Did you think everything was normal?
Yes, completely normal.
When did you notice something was wrong?
About 5 minutes later,
What happened?
I checked my messages.
And?
I realized the message hadn't gone to my friend.
Oh no.
Exactly.
Who received it?
My manager.
Your manager?
Yes,
That must have been shocking.
it really was.
How did you react?
My eyes went wide.
I can imagine.
My heart started racing.
Were you nervous?
Extremely nervous.
Does your manager often message you?
Yes,
Is that why his name was near your friend's?
exactly.
That's an easy mistake to make.
Maybe, but it still felt terrible.
Did you try to delete the message?
I did.
Did it work?
No,
Why not?
it had already been delivered.
Oh dear.
That was exactly my thought.
What did you do next?
I just stared at my phone.
For how long?
About a minute.
What were you thinking?
I kept wondering what my manager would say.
Did he reply right away?
No,
Was that good or bad?
I honestly wasn't sure.
Why not?
Because waiting made me even more nervous.
I understand.
I kept checking my phone.
Every few minutes?
Almost every minute.
That sounds stressful.
It really was.
Did anyone at work notice?
One coworker did.
What happened?
He asked if I was okay.
What did you tell him?
I said I'd made a mistake.
Did you explain?
Not right away.
Why not?
I felt too embarrassed.
That makes sense.
A few minutes later, I told him the whole story.
What was his reaction?
He burst out laughing.
Really?
Yes,
Did that help?
a little.
What did he say?
He said everyone makes mistakes like that.
That's true.
I knew that, but I still felt worried.
Did you think your manager would be angry?
Yes,
Why?
because the message sounded so strange.
I see.
And I basically called someone a dancing chicken.
Fair point.
The whole thing felt incredibly awkward.
Did you think about sending another message?
Yes,
What kind?
an apology.
Did you send it?
Not right away.
Why not?
I wanted to think it through first.
That sounds reasonable.
I didn't want to make things worse.
Good thinking.
Then something happened.
What?
My phone buzzed.
A message?
Yes.
From your manager?
Yes, it was.
What did he say?
I looked at the screen and couldn't believe it.
Now I'm really curious. What did it say?
His reply completely surprised me.
Well, don't keep me waiting.
He wrote, "A dancing chicken?"
Oh no.
Then he added a laughing emoji.
That's unexpected.
Very unexpected.
So he wasn't angry?
Not at all.
That must have been a huge relief.
It really was.
What did you do next?
I replied right away.
What did you say?
I apologized for the mistake.
Did you explain everything?
Yes, the whole story.
What did your manager say?
He told me not to worry about it.
That's kind of him.
It really was.
Did he understand what happened?
Yes, completely.
What happened after that?
He asked who the message was actually meant for.
Did you tell him?
Of course.
What was his reaction?
He laughed again.
That's funny.
Then he told me a story of his own.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
He accidentally sent a personal message to a work group chat.
Wow.
The whole office saw it.
That sounds mortifying.
He said he wanted to hide under his desk.
I can imagine.
We both had a good laugh about it.
Did that make you feel better?
Much better.
I'm glad.
Then I finally sent the joke to my actual friend.
Did he reply?
Yes.
What did he say?
He wrote, "Very funny."
Did he laugh?
Yes.
That's great.
Then I told him about my mix-up.
What was his reaction?
He laughed even harder.
Really?
Yes.
Did he believe you at first?
Not right away.
Why not?
Because the story sounded too strange to be true.
Fair enough.
Once I showed him the message, he finally believed me.
Then what happened?
He started calling me the dancing chicken man.
That's hilarious.
He still says it sometimes.
Even now?
Yes.
That's become quite a memory.
It really has.
Did anyone else find out?
A few coworkers did.
How?
My coworker told them.
What did you say?
Most of them just laughed.
Were they kind about it?
Yes, very kind.
That's good to hear.
One coworker even shared his own story.
What happened to him?
He once sent a birthday message to the wrong person.
Really?
Yes.
What did that person say?
They thanked him and wished him a nice day.
That's funny.
We all laughed together.
It sounds like this happens to a lot of people.
I think so.
Why do you think that is?
People are often busy.
That makes sense.
Sometimes we move too quickly.
I agree.
We don't always double-check the name before hitting send.
True.
I am much more careful now.
What do you do differently?
I always check the recipient's name first.
Every time?
Every single time.
That sounds like a smart habit.
It really helps.
Have you sent a message to the wrong person since then?
No.
Really?
Not once.
That's impressive.
I learned my lesson.
What was the biggest lesson?
Slow down before pressing send.
Very good advice.
A few extra seconds can save you from a big mistake.
Couldn't agree more.
Another lesson is not to panic.
Why is that?
Because mistakes happen to everyone.
So true.
Most people are pretty understanding.
Especially when you're honest about it.
Exactly.
Did this experience teach you anything else?
Yes, actually.
What?
It taught me that laughter really does help.
How so?
At first, I felt terrible.
And later?
Later, everyone was laughing, including me.
That's a much better ending.
It really was.
Looking back now, how do you feel about it?
Honestly, I smile every time I think about it.
Even though it was embarrassing.
Yes, because everything worked out fine in the end.
That's nice to hear.
And now it's just a funny story.
I love that.
Sometimes our mistakes become our best stories.
That's a great way to look at it.
I think a lot of people can relate to this.
Probably.
Almost everyone has sent a message to the wrong person at least once.
I'd believe it.
The important thing is to stay calm.
And be honest.
Exactly.
Thank you for sharing this story, Michael.
Thank you for listening, Sarah.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Have you ever sent a message to the wrong person?
What happened after that?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your stories.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
We truly appreciate it.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.